We are a product of our time. We are a product of what we have been exposed to, how we have been educated, what we have heard, and that's what I mean, a product of our time. I'll share with you a quote that my father said to me, and he said it to me when I was angry at him because I thought Dad wasn't being strong enough. And when we got off the radio, I said to him, Dad, how come you're so weak? You need to throw it to them. Give it back to them, Dad. And he very calmly said to me, Hana, if you only knew what they only know, you'd probably think the same. I was mortified. How dare he even say that? But I was also quite taken aback afterwards. I thought I didn't like it because I wanted him to be angry at these blatant racist people, but it made sense. He was saying that I had an access to a history and conversations and information that others hadn't. If I hadn't have been privileged to hear those things, then I might have thought the same. I want us to think about that in terms of how important it is to make sure we're hearing the information that we might not usually hear, or applying an equity lens if we don't experience that inequity in a way that we can see things we might not ordinarily see.